Greetings, fellow traders. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. And wow, what a week, what a day. Big move to the downside, big move back up. So, other than just kind of jumping in right at the open, one of the things that we look at to kind of stay calm and and trade and have a nice strategy is the 15 orb method. So a lot of you see me tweet that on the @TrueBubblehead channel. I put a free game plan out every night, and I make updates in the morning for news. We also for newsletter subscribers of the Positive Trends newsletter, we also have a private Twitter feed where in the morning, let me pull this up here for you. I like to post, just sort of like kind of a game plan for the day, just kind of emphasize what's really looking good versus, a lot of the kind of the noise that's out there, or some of the ideas we had last night. So we saw this morning, right? The Amazon and the Facebook 60 anchors look good. We were also looking for 15 orb trades off of the Dropbox and WYNN. So when we saw the market was starting to move to the downside, WYNN was a great opportunity because even though their earnings were, I think, relatively okay, they offered some rough guidance. So we're looking for a reversal here as the market was declining. So this is the first 15-minute bar. Right? So the idea is the 15-minute orb, the opening range bar. And so that's why I call it the 15 orb. And so big bar, right? It's it's a larger range than normal for a bar for WYNN. And so what we do is at that point we look for the next bar to see, or within this bar to see the price action that happens. So if you guys go back through the free videos on the Bubblehead channel, you can see we talk a lot about price action. We talk about inside bars, and so here was an inside bar in the first 15 minutes. So what was, as the market was going down, this is a perfect opportunity to look for a short. And so newsletter subscribers get access to this feed when I take a trade. And so here you can see that I took this trade, and the puts, the May 17th. Remember, I like to trade the next week if if it's a Friday, because in case it looks like a good swing, and at the same time, so we don't accidentally get assigned at the end of the day if we forget we're in the position, right? So, with that being said, we got in at 305, and then they really started moving right away. So let's take a look at that. So the next bar, you can see it broke right there. That was a nice break. So that was the entry around 305 on the puts, and then nice push to the downside. And then the 15-minute orb, if you look at this, right, so the orb itself is a range bar, right, that is basically showing where the bulls and the bears, right, have drawn their lines. And so this inside 15 really gives you that push to get to the breakdown on that lower level of the 15 orb. So that's what we like to capitalize on. So this ended up being a really nice trade. Let me see. Let me just show real quick. One more bar. Yeah, really nice. All the way down to 126 off of that. So, so great stuff. These are the type of things that we look at in the newsletter. You can see we got in. We had a nice entry and move stops. And got good profit on that one. So, just kind of wanted to give you a little educational look at the 15 orb and kind of show what we look at for newsletter subscribers who are also get free access to the private Twitter stream, and it's free for limited time while seats last. So looking forward to having you join us, and hope you guys have a great weekend. Happy Mother's Day, and remember when you're trading, remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.